Hi there, here is a book overview of my latest Bible study book. Click on the link below. Are you new to the Bible and feeling overwhelmed? Looking for a simple, step-by-step Bible study plan to help you understand God's Word? Beginner's Guide to Understanding the Bible is your perfect starting point. Whether you're a seeker of faith, a new believer, or someone curious about Christianity, this 4-week study plan will help you confidently engage with the Bible for the first time. What you'll discover inside. How the Bible is structured and why it matters. Key themes and essential messages from both the Old and New Testaments. Tips on how to pray and reflect on God's Word. Answers to common questions like, why are there different Bible versions? Is the Bible scientifically accurate? How can I understand difficult passages? Simple daily reading assignments with reflection prompts. So, why is this book perfect for beginners? Easy to follow 4-week Bible study schedule. Written in plain, beginner-friendly language. Provides real-world examples and relatable explanations. Encourages spiritual growth at your own pace. If you've ever wondered how to start reading the Bible, this guide will walk you through the process with clarity and encouragement. Start your faith journey today and discover the life-changing power of God's Word. Scroll up and click Buy Now to begin your 4-week Bible study journey. Click on the link in the description below.